I'm sorry. Oh, the lighting's bad. I don't know how to make it better. I should have brought a flashlight. I'll be back.
Don't run away like that again.
You found it?
Yeah. I found it.
Are you gonna give it to the owner?
You wanna come?
I guess. Let me ask my mom.
It's a car.
I'm gonna go the other way.
She's gonna get food right there.
Pooped on you?
No, that's good.
Oh shit.
But I don't know if they're gonna get mad at me because I think that's a strict house.
Hmm.
I'm gonna go back home.
Oh, my shirt. What the fuck?
Yeah.
Those guys are fucking crazy. Oh, I can't see shit.
Ew.
What? Ugh.
Okay, come.
Mm.
Come on.
Hey.